Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a healthy-ish dinner of hot honey glazed salmon with a chipotle kick. I'm serving it on rice with a peach salsa. It actually looks so good. I really want to eat it. Okay, we're gonna start with the rice because that's what takes the longest. I've got a cup of jasmine rice here. I'm just gonna throw it in the pot, give it a quick rinse, and then get it cooking. Washing your rice is gonna remove excess starch and help you avoid an overly sticky or clumpy final product. All right, so to go with our salmon bowls, I'm gonna be making a very simple peach salsa. The great thing about this is that you get a little bit extra, so you can really load up the bowls if you want to, or you can have like a little snack in the fridge to eat with chips or whatever else you wanna serve it with. Why is it so spicy? Oh my God, every time. If you guys have suggestions for how to make your eyes stop crying, let me know in the comments, please. Also, I think I'm gonna need a bigger bowl, so let me grab that. This is a bit bigger. Let's see. So that's just about half a red onion in with our peaches. I'm also adding 2 Fresno chilies and 1 poblano pepper, and I'm chopping those roughly the same size as my onion and peach pieces. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we've got our peaches, our red onion, and our peppers. We're gonna juice our limes and throw in some cilantro. Got my favorite kitchen tool. If you don't have one of these, you really need one. I'm obsessed. Like, look how easy that was. So we're just doing 2 limes and about a 1/4 cup of cilantro. Okay, we're just gonna give this a little season. I always do it to taste. I don't normally measure my salts because everyone uses different salt, so it's hard to give an accurate measurement. And a little bit of avocado oil. It's just more neutral than olive oil. It's kind of what we're going for here. Okay, quick toss. And then because we don't have an exact measurement on the salt, I'm gonna give it a taste. Yeah, that's really good. And then we're just gonna let this rest, and the peach and the onion are gonna soften and the flavors are gonna get a little bit mild and meld together. And it's gonna be perfect when we're done the salmon. We've got 2 gorgeous pieces of salmon here, skin off. And we're just gonna cut it into bite-sized cubes. To do that, I like to go half, just like that, and then cubes from there. But yeah, we want them all to be roughly the same size just so that they cook evenly at the same time. You don't have like overcooked fish. No one likes that. Okay, the salmon is seasoned. We're just gonna set that aside. And we're gonna move on to the sauce. This is the hot honey chipotle glaze thing that I mentioned. We're gonna start with our chipotles. I'm gonna put in 2 peppers. And then I'm gonna try and get like 2 tablespoons of the adobo sauce that the peppers are in. Usually the sauce is like hiding at the bottom. Then we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of soy sauce and the juice of 2 limes. A trick to getting more juice out of your lime is just to roll it on the cutting board with the palm of your hand. It should be like squishy when you press into it, and that's how you know it's ready to juice. Now I am gonna add a little pinch of salt, but the soy sauce is already pretty salty, so you don't wanna add too much. Just a little sprinkle to bring out the natural chipotle and lime flavors. Okay. So it's super acidic right now because we haven't added the sweetness. That's what we want. So we're gonna move this over and we're gonna start cooking. We're gonna lightly coat the bottom of the pan with oil because we don't want it to splatter too much when we put the fish in. Then we're just gonna put our fish down. That was actually a nice sear. We like that. And because these are smaller pieces of salmon, they're gonna cook really quickly. So you want that high heat to give it a nice sear in a short amount of time so we can get that color without overcooking the fish. So when the fish is ready, it is going to naturally release from the pan, and we're looking for that golden brown color. I like to give it a little nudge just to see if it's gonna release. If it's fighting, I'll leave it to cook for a little bit longer until it's naturally ready to release from the pan. Oh, that's a good one. Get a close-up of that. Beep, beep. Oh, it's my left hand. Ah! We did it. We got there. Get out. And now it's time for our sauce. It's going right in the same pan as the salmon. And we're just gonna heat that on low. We're gonna add in our honey. Ooh, this is coming together so nicely. It's starting to thicken and it's getting that nice shine that we expect from a glaze. So you'll know it's ready when you can run a spatula through it, and it takes more than 5 seconds for the gap to fully close. This looks really good. I'm so excited to plate it up. Let's do that. Some cukes for a little color and texture. And last but not least, our peach salsa. It's been sitting for a bit now in the salt and the lime juice, so it's gotten softer. The peaches are looking a little juicier, and the flavors have really come together. Just a little bit of extra cilantro on top. Cheers. That glaze is really good. It's a little spicy. It's acidic, but it has a nice sweetness to it. And that sweetness goes really nicely with the peach salsa. Yeah, this is just a great healthy-ish dinner. And I'm gonna go eat the rest of this now. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more recipes just like this one, make sure you're subscribed.